Toyota just killed the gas engine in their best-selling RAV4, while Mazda doubled down on conventional power for the CX-5. One brand went all in on hybrids, the other is waiting until 2027. This decision will determine which SUV dominates the next decade, and the winner might surprise you. Let's break it down with the latest data. Design and exterior styling. The 2026 CX-5 represents Mazda's most significant design evolution since the model's introduction in 2012. This third-generation model builds upon an important name for Mazda, with the CX-5 showcasing key design elements since its debut in 2012. The new CX-5 maintains Mazda's distinctive Kodo design language, but stretches the proportions for a more mature appearance. With a stretched body and more interior tech, the new CX-5 promises more space, indicating that Mazda has prioritized functionality without sacrificing its signature emotional design approach. The exterior styling reflects Mazda's commitment to creating vehicles that evoke emotion through their visual presence. The front fascia features a more prominent grille treatment that aligns with current Mazda family styling. Toyota's approach with the 2026 RAV4 takes a different direction, emphasizing ruggedness and adventure-ready capability. The Toyota RAV4 is getting a makeover for the 2026 model year that includes a new exterior design, focusing on what Toyota describes as a more adventurous aesthetic. The design language emphasizes functional elements that suggest off-road capability, with enhanced ground clearance visuals and more pronounced wheel arch treatments. Interior space and comfort. Interior space represents one of the most significant improvements in the 2026 CX-5. CX-5 offers large gains in rear seat comfort and cargo space, addressing what has historically been one of the model's competitive disadvantages. Mazda has clearly listened to customer feedback about the previous generation's somewhat cramped rear quarters, and the stretched wheelbase directly addresses these concerns. The interior design philosophy emphasizes premium materials and intuitive layout, characteristics that have become hallmarks of recent Mazda interiors. The cabin architecture prioritizes driver engagement while ensuring passenger comfort, with particular attention paid to rear seat occupants who previously experienced limited legroom. The cargo area expansion suggests that Mazda has found ways to optimize the packaging without compromising the vehicle's external proportions significantly. There's another set of question marks when it comes to interior measurements for both the Mazda and the Toyota, indicating that final interior specifications remain to be confirmed. The 2026 RAV4's interior represents a comprehensive update that addresses previous generation criticisms about material quality and layout efficiency. The Toyota RAV4 is getting a makeover for the 2026 model year that includes an updated interior, suggesting significant changes to the cabin environment. Technology and infotainment. The technology integration in both vehicles represents a significant leap forward from their predecessors. The 2026 Mazda CX-5 has a large touchscreen and a lot fewer physical controls due to customer preference, indicating a fundamental shift in Mazda's approach to interior technology. This change is particularly notable because Mazda has historically been a strong advocate for physical controls, suggesting that consumer preferences have driven this evolution. The infotainment philosophy reflects broader industry trends towards screen-based interfaces, but each brand has implemented this differently. The reduction in physical controls suggests improved voice command functionality and more logical touchscreen layout design. Every 2026 RAV4 comes equipped with a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, a significant leap from the 7.0-inch display found in the 2025 model. This represents a dramatic improvement in information display capability, with navigation graphics positioned directly in the driver's line of sight. The 2026 Toyota RAV4 will come with a standard 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and a 10.5-inch touchscreen, indicating a dual-screen approach that separates driver information from infotainment functions. The RAV4's technology suite also includes practical connectivity features that reflect Toyota's understanding of customer needs. The SUV will also come with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, Bluetooth for 2 connections simultaneously, and 6 audio speakers. These features suggest that Toyota has prioritized real-world usability over flashy technology demonstrations, focusing on features that drivers actually use regularly. Performance and powertrains. The powertrain strategies represent the most fundamental difference between these vehicles. At launch, the third-gen CX-5 will be offered solely with a version of Mazda's 2.5-liter naturally aspirated four-cylinder engine and will come with standard all-wheel drive. The engine produces 187 horsepower and 185 pound-feet of torque, representing a slight decrease from the previous generation's output. The driving experience implications are significant, as when we tested this engine in a 2025 CX-5 Carbon Edition, we underlined the need for more torque, especially down low in the rev range. This suggests that Mazda's powertrain choice may prioritize refinement and reliability over outright performance, potentially appealing to buyers who value driving engagement over maximum efficiency. The 2026 RAV4 is now offered only with hybrid and plug-in hybrid powertrains, representing Toyota's complete commitment to electrification in this segment. The standard setup has 226 horsepower with front-wheel drive, or 236 horsepower with all-wheel drive, providing significantly more power than the CX-5's conventional engine. The hybrid system represents a substantial improvement over the previous generation's offerings. Fuel economy and efficiency. The efficiency comparison reveals the most dramatic difference between these vehicles. The RAV4 now has a standard hybrid powertrain with an improved output that bests the last generation machine by 17 to 23 horsepower while simultaneously delivering superior fuel economy. The Toyota hybrid powertrain produces the lowest official combined fuel cycle figure compared to its rivals at just 4.7 liters per 100 kilometers, representing exceptional efficiency in the compact SUV segment. The plug-in hybrid variant extends this efficiency advantage significantly. All-electric range on the plug-in increases from 42 miles on the 2025 model to 50 miles for 2026, providing meaningful electric-only driving capability for daily commuting. The 2025 Mazda CX-5 is rated at a maximum of 28 miles per gallon combined, and similar performance is expected from the 2026 model. This creates a significant efficiency gap between the vehicles, with the RAV4's hybrid system providing substantially better fuel economy. Based on the combined cycle number and the 58-liter fuel tank, expect a driving range of around 784 kilometers for the CX-5, which remains competitive for conventional powertrains but falls short of hybrid efficiency. The efficiency difference extends beyond simple fuel consumption numbers. The RAV4's hybrid system provides consistent performance across various driving conditions, while the CX-5's conventional engine may show more variation in real-world fuel economy depending on driving patterns and conditions. This difference becomes particularly significant for buyers who prioritize long-term operating costs. Pricing and value proposition. The pricing structure reflects each brand's positioning strategy and target customer base. Hybrid trims with a high $30,000 MSRP seem reasonable for the CX-5, though this refers to the anticipated hybrid variant rather than the launch model. At the top end, the RAV4 Limited costs $37,155, making it more affordable than the CX-5 Turbo Signature at $40,600, though these figures reflect previous generation pricing that may not directly apply to the 2026 models. The 2026 RAV4 is expected to go on sale by the end of 2025, providing Toyota with a potential timing advantage over the CX-5's launch schedule. This timing difference could influence initial market reception and availability, particularly given the current supply chain challenges affecting the automotive industry. The value calculation extends beyond initial purchase price to include resale value, fuel costs, and maintenance expenses. Toyota's hybrid technology has proven reliable and maintains strong resale values, while Mazda's reputation for quality and driving engagement appeals to buyers who prioritize long-term satisfaction over maximum efficiency. So, which wins? The CX-5 is for drivers who crave refinement and engagement, while the RAV4 is the pragmatic choice for fuel sippers and adventurers. Both are stellar. Your priorities decide. What's your pick? Drop a comment below and don't forget to like and subscribe for more head-to-head comparisons.